How to hide chats on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply tap on your DM section at the top right corner of the screen. After you tap on DM, select on the chat that you would want to hide. So there is no direct option to hide the chat. So what you can simply do is tap on your profile and select on the options over here. Here you can see the option of restrict, so simply tap on restrict. Now as you tap on restrict, you can go back and see on DMs. You'll not be able to see the messages on the main feed, so you have hidden the message or the chat. So it will directly now go to the request options. Now here you can see the request section, so tap on request and here you can just scroll down and you can just tap on hidden request, and that's how you can see the hidden chats on Instagram. Or rather, you can just go back, tap on their profile over here. So let's search for the profile. And as we search for the profile, you can just unrestrict them by tapping on their profile and tap on unrestrict. And you'll be able to unhide the chat on Instagram again. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.